so that was the intro to Heart of Gold by Neil Young. So we got an E minor. We're going to make a 3 here on the second string with that 2 up there. So we have 2 open, 3 open. That's E minor 7. So we're going to start out, we're going to hit that bass note, that 2, and then we're going to hit that chord 6 times. So okay, so once on the bass, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then we're going out to D. So we're going to hit that D twice, back to a regular E minor. And then we got this little riff. So that's 2 to 4 in the G string, 3 on the second string, open on the small string. So all together we got the 2 first with the E minor 7, D, D, E minor, and then a little riff. Do it again. Okay, now our next part is going to be E minor, like 2 beats to C, and D to G. And you can make the strums a little more interesting than just 2 each if you want. Okay, so that was 4 times of E minor, C, and D to G, basically 2 beats each. You can always add like a little jang, jang, jagga, jang, jang, janga, you know, little extra ups at the end and stuff. So, once again, we're going to have 3 of these. And that's a little harmonica solo. Now we go back to that first riff, the 2-0-3-0. Now that time we only do that once, and now we're going into a verse. So a verse is going to be the E minor to C and D to G again. And that will also be 3 times. Now here, there's a little extra riff we can add when he starts doing the verses. So that'll be E minor to C. Now when you go to the G here, how about use your first finger, because then you can hit this extra 4 on the bass to make it a little moving bass. Makes it sound a lot cooler. So we got 3 times of that. That was a verse. E minor, C, D to G with a little extra F sharp bass note at the end there. G to F sharp. Do that for you one more time. Ding, dang, dang, right? So at that point, after we've done that 3 times, we're going to do the E minor. We're going to do all 8 downs. To G. You can throw a little couple extra ones in there if you want. So E minor, G. And this is the chorus. Then he hits the C chord. So we got C, C, and C, 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 and G. And then we go back to that E minor, repeat the chorus. All downbeats there to the G. Can have one little ups here and there, you know, to add to the all downs, but it is like 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and all the way through those measures. So then we're gonna have the C chord. Okay, so that was our first double chorus there. Now we're going to go back to this E minor to C. And this is another harmonica solo. And at that point you can start keeping that F sharp in there if you want. So 3 times of this. This is the 3rd one. And we go back to the very first riff. Okay, then we're back to a verse with this E minor, C, D to G thing. And then chorus, we got E minor to G. And then the C hits. Back to E minor, G, C hits, all right, now we got another more harmonica here, I believe. So 3 of these. Back to the very first riff. E minor 7, D, back to E minor, that little riff. And this time we're going to do this thing 3 times. Now we have our chorus, E minor, G, C hits, and that's the whole thing right there. So let's look at the intro one more time if you want a little review. 2 open, 3 open. We're gonna hit the bass note first and then wait a second, like that's a quarter note, and then we're gonna have 1/8 notes after that, so 6 hits after that. So it's like 3, 4. Let's slow that down. So 2, 3, 4. And then that little riff again was 2 to 4, 3 to little open. One more time. 3, 4. Okay, and in the beginning of the song that goes twice, and then we get into our kind of main chord progression, E minor, C, D to G. So let's look at that just one more time. Play along with that one. So 3, 4 to C, D to G. And later on there will be a reason to kind of use that first finger on the G there, when you want to add that little F sharp in there. So one more time, 3 and 4 and E minor, C, D to G with the first finger, and that's half as long as those other chords where they're kind of like one beat each, like 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, and 3, 4. See how that works? Okay, so you go back to riff 1 at that point, you got a verse. The chorus, once again, is E minor, all kind of chopped down. You can add like a little extra one in the middle if you want. To G, and then we have those C hits. C, back to G. So that chorus again, E minor, and 3 and 4 to G. C hits, boom, boom, boom. And I kind of muted them there for that boom, boom, boom. Give it a little percussive effect, you know. And you could also go, if you wanted to, right there. Dee da dee da, 1 open, 2 open. So. And that's how the song ends too. It's kind of with that boom, 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 and boom, boom, boom. Okay, Heart of Gold by Neil Young. Hope you dug that. Please like and subscribe, and we shall see you soon.